shows that the energy sector is going to be to lead the second quarter gains, mostly because it is recovering from a very low base. So from your point of view, just you said that you hold the same expectation considering the oil industry's situation right now.
Hmm, that's a tricky one. So in Q1, we saw that the sector declined by 5%, about, right, 5.3, as the prices corrected to the downside. And often, the best performing sector in the commodities market is the one period that becomes the worst in the next. So are we expecting another good one? That is really not so clear just yet, but commodities, the power of the world, very important. So we should carefully follow that. The production cut at the end of November 2016 and the election that we had for an energy friendly administration in the US did support gains in crude oil. But we need to understand that during the first quarter of 2017, the energy commodity spent most of its time trading in a very narrow range, right? The 50 to $55 range. So production from shale producers in these prices above $50 increased while OPEC production declined. So this is slightly over the period that we saw this behavior, but at the same time, demand has increased as economic growth and optimism in this certainty scenario about the future has been supportive of the market itself.
And